Hey Jax, this is Art. This is what I'm going to suggest that you do to move on with your interpretive trail websites. What you're going to want to do is delete the sites that you've created and then reset them up using the template that we've created for those sites. All right, so I've tested this out with this website here. I call site deletion test. So the first thing you want to do is copy your URL and just email it to yourself. That way, or save it in a Word document or a text, maybe text editor. Save it save it somewhere. So here we go. I'll save it here for example. Now we want to delete this. Here's how you delete it. You go up to this gear, go down to Manage Site. In general, if it's not there already, you click on this button, delete this website, and you delete it. Hit save. All right, it looks like it's gone, but it's not really. Click over here on deleted sites, and you'll see the site deletion test site is still here. You want to delete it permanently because at this point in time, if I tried to re-establish a site with this same URL, it wouldn't let me. So we go over here, we delete it permanently. It asks us if we're sure, we delete it. And now it takes some time to delete all those pages and so on. But it will delete it. All right, now we can just create a new website, browse the gallery for this one. Use this interpretive trail theme or template. And here, if you recall, I saved the URL. All you need, as a matter of fact, all you want is this last bit without even that last little slash there. So I'll paste that, I'll get rid of the slash. And now I hit create. It takes some time because remember, it's not just setting up the look of the website, like the background colors and pictures and stuff. It's creating all those web pages and the menu system and the links and all that stuff. So it takes it some time. But you will see that once it is done, it has created basically a skeleton of an interpretive trail website, and you'll just need to go in there and change the content. And so here we are. It says native species. I don't know why I've lost my bullseye here. Oh, here it is. Okay. But you can see it's actually called, site deletion test. So if this was endangered species or some other thing, it would say that up here, and you just want to make everything else on the website match the URL. Down here it would say endangered species. And remember, I showed you how to change the title image up here. But as you can see, the whole menu is there, all the pages, the links, all that kind of stuff. It's all there, so you wouldn't need to set that up over and over and over again. Okay, so a final note, speaking of all the work that this approach does for you. If you talk to somebody about how you're doing this, they might say to you, Oh, you don't even need to do all that. You can always just change the template of the website by going here and changing page template. Well, that would be just for one page. That's all that would do. So that wouldn't do all the work that this is doing for you. The other thing they might say is, oh, well, under manage sites, you can always just change the themes and colors and fonts over here. So you could do that over here, but again, if we browse these themes and click on HTS Interpretive Trail, all you're getting is the theme for that template. You're not getting the template. So again, it would not change the web structure, all the pages, all the links, all that kind of stuff. It would just make whatever website you have already, it would make it look similar. It would change the background colors and stuff like that. But it would not create the whole website for you. You'd have to manually go in and create all these menus, create all the pages associated with the links and all that kind of stuff. So that is not a way to do it either. From what I can tell, the way I just showed you, that's the only way you can do it. But hey, it's quick, it's easy, and it's effective. Just make sure that you go up to whatever your URL is for a particular site and copy it into whatever, an email, a Word document, then delete it, and then re-establish it. And when you go to establish a brand new website, that's, from what I can tell, the only time that you can have the freedom to select a new template that will do all this work for you. You know, setting up all these menus, creating all the pages associated with all these different things. So there you go. I hope that works for you. Give me an email, drop me an email if you have any questions or you run into any problems. All right, good luck with it all. Bye for now.